we have 1 minus x over 2 equals minus 1 over 4. So we can subtract 1 from both sides. Okay, by the time we do that, we have 1 minus 1 minus x over 2 equals minus 1 over 4 minus 1. Okay, this one gives 0. So we have here minus x over 2 equals, so here we can look for the LCM and solve. So the LCM of 4 and 1 is 4. 4 in 4 is 1 times 1, that is minus 1. Minus 1 in 4 is 4. 4 times 1. Okay, that is 4. So here we have minus x over 2 equals minus 1 minus 4, that is minus 5 over 4. So here we cross multiply, minus x times 4, okay, equals 2 times minus 5. So this just gives minus 4x equals minus 10. Okay, 2 times 5 is 10. Okay, so from here we say minus 4x equals minus 10. We divide by minus 4, which is the coefficient of x. Okay, so this can go, this can go. So we have just x. Minus cancel minus. 2 in 10 is 5. 2 in 4 is 2. Or we have it in form of 2 number. 1 over 2 or 2.5. Solve for s in this linear equation. Okay, we have a fraction here, we have a mixed fraction, and we have the mixed fraction at the other end of the equation. So how do we go about this? Solution. So when we look at this, we can still maintain this. So what this implies is you open the brackets with what we are having here. We open the bracket with what we have here. So from here, we have 1 over 5 times 2x. Instead of saying 2x over 5, okay, minus 1 over 5 times 5. Instead of saying 5 over 5, okay. So plus, so this one is a mixed fraction. We have to change it to an improper fraction. And how do we go about that? We have 1 over 1 over 2. So we say 2 times 1, 2 plus 1, that is 3 over 2. To change this, so we have this as 3 over 2 times x minus this same 3 over 2, okay, times 5. Okay, so everything equals one whole number. So we can as well change this to an improper fraction. Is a mixed fraction. So we say 10 times 1 is 10 plus 1, 11 over 10. Okay, so we can write this as 2x over 5 minus 5 over 5 plus 3 times x is 3x over 2. Okay, minus 3 times 5, this is 15 over 2, which is this, equals 11 over 10. So from here we can collect the like times. Okay, so from here now we have 2x over 5, okay, plus 3x over 2. This one is minus 1. When you divide this with this, okay, minus 15 over 2, okay, equals 11 over 10. So when we solve this for that, so here we can undo this by looking for the LCM, which is 10. Okay, so when we do this, we cross multiply. Okay, because 5 with 10 is 2, we get this, so we times it with this. We have 2 times 2x is 4x, plus when we divide this with this, we have 5. We times this with this, we have 15x, which is 5 times 3 to be 15. So all this we can transfer to the other side. So we have 11 over 10. Okay. By the time this one gets here, it turns to plus 1. By the time this one gets to this place, it turns to plus 15 over 2. Okay. So from here now, I can have this as 4x plus 15x is 19x divided by 10. Okay, equals, so I can easily look for the LCM of this right part of the fraction. So I have my LCM to be 10. Okay, the LCM of 10, 1 and 2. How do we do that? So when you look for the LCM of 10, 1 and 2, the LCM is still 10. So in 10 is 5. You have 1, you have 1. We have 1, 1, 1. So we have reduced it to 1, 1. So 2 times 5 is 10. That is LCM. So 10 divided by 10 is 1 times 11. We have 11. Plus 1 in 10 is 10 times 1. That is 10. Plus 2 in 10 is 5. When you multiply this with this, we have 75. Okay, so from here now, we have 19x/10 equals, so when we do our addition here, when you add this to this, 11 plus 10 is 21, 21 plus this is 96/10. So now that you have it equals to, we can now do our, we can cross multiply. So this will multiply this will multiply this. Okay, but you can still reduce further. You have 96, you have 10, so we can still reduce it with 2. 2 in 9 is 4. We have 1. 2 in 16 is 8. 2 in 10 is 5. Okay, so we can reduce this to this, and we now cross multiply. So we have a 19x times 5 equals, here we have 10 times 48, 48 times 10. Okay, so when we multiply this together, so we have 19 times 5, 5 times 9 is 45, so it should be 95x equals 480. So we can easily divide both sides by 95, which is the coefficient of x. So we have x to be 480 divided by 95. So we can reduce this with 5. Okay, so 5 in 48, 5 times 9 is 45. In 30, that is 5 times 6 is 30. 5 in 9 is 1. In 45 is 19. So we have 96/19. So to a mixed fraction, we should be having 1996, we should be having 5. Okay, so we have 1/19. Thank you very much. We have to solve this equation. So the solution, so that we have 7, so we multiply everything bracket with 7. Sometimes y is 7y, plus sometimes 4 is 28, minus 5 times y is 5y, minus times plus is minus, 5 times 3 is 15, plus 4 minus y equals to 0. So we collect the like times here. We have 7y minus 5y, okay, minus y, plus 28, plus 4 minus 15 equals to 0. So here we saw minus 5y minus y, that is minus 6y. 7y minus 6y, that gives us y, okay, plus 28 plus 4, we have 32. 32 minus 15, we have 17 equals to 0. So we subtract 17 from both sides, we have y plus 17 minus 17 equals 17. So this one gives 0. So we have y equals minus 17.